isn't it?
hate this
Yeah.
stuff. I got it from a load of compost that I brought in.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And if you don't get it before it starts
Yeah.
dropping its seed,
Exactly.
Hey guys, it is Zoe from Chestnut Hills Farmstead, and I am at Petals from the Past. I have been here with Tracy from Just Dig It Farms. We are working on the Great Fall Harvest Festival event that we're having at Petals here in September. And I was just gonna walk around Petals a little bit and show you guys and encourage you to stick around, and maybe you guys will come and check this place out, meet all your favorite YouTubers, and just spend the day, you know, hanging out and visiting with everybody, and maybe attend a couple of classes or so. Also, I will put a link to all the different channels that will be attending and a link to sign up to attend this free event. The event is free. Jason at Petals is asking that people go ahead and register just so we get a kind of a head count of how many people are going to be flowing through. Just so we kind of have a number to gauge on how many to expect. Well, I got Tracy here.
hey guys,
And we are setting up for the
Great Fall Garden Festival.
and we are just working through all the ins and outs and trying to get this thing set up so we can have a flawless event.
Yes.
And let me tell you, if
Cool.
Tracy is marking things off, she is on top of it.
We're getting it done.
So tell them the website.
It is thegreatfallgardenfestival.com, and maybe you can put a link in the video.
Yep, I'll put a link.
So you can go to it.
And I'll share a little bit of words from Jason from here at Petals as well. And we hope you guys register to come and hang out with us. It's free.
It's free.
Every bit of it's free. Lots of speakers. You do have
Contest.
to, yeah, harvest contest. Some baskets that'll be raffled off. We are just looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's going to be a fun day.
Yeah, but let's kind of look around Petals and see what all they've got growing right now. So here we are. Look at all this. Grapevines. Look at these. Look. Oh my gosh. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. I just love it. Look at the buckwheat. But my favorite, the wildflowers. Look at the zinnias. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are growing. They've got tomatoes still trellised. Y'all, it's just beautiful here. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. Look at it. How awesome is that? How awesome. So I was talking with Jason Powell here. Everybody who follows Petals or anybody who knows about Petals knows that Jason is just a wealth of knowledge. And I was talking to him about my potager, and I was telling him we finally got the beds filled. He said, even if you don't plant anything right away, as far as, you know, vegetables or anything, put a cover crop on it. That way your beds are being used and you're not having to deal with weeds. And I was like, that is such a good idea, because we don't want to mess with weeds. So I think it's going to be, he said this buckwheat, this white stuff behind me, is an awesome cover crop. So I think that's something that I'm going to look into, is putting that in my beds for a season, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do next season. So look at this place. So clean and so neat and orderly. They have so many things to choose from. It's like a breath of fresh air here. There's so much going on out and about, but just being in here, there's hardly anybody here right now because it's the middle of the week, the middle of the day. I'm sweating, but that's okay because it's peaceful. I hear birds chirping, and all around me is just plants. It's just plants. All the various rose bushes you could ever want. All kinds of rose choices. So here's what they call the house. They have so many knickknacks just here and there. It's just beautiful. So this is the entry of the beautiful store here. And we will have vendors set up all along the road here. We will have YouTubers, and some will be vendors as well. So some of your favorite YouTubers will be selling. We'll have people set up here in the Pacher garden. Yeah, look at this. And this place is beautiful. I think I've said that about 20 times now, but it's just true. Just take it in, y'all. So we'll continue down. And then this area will be filled with all of your favorite YouTubers. So what better way to spend a Saturday than with your favorite homesteading YouTubers in one of the prettiest garden spots around. Okay guys, so I shared with you a little bit about my visit here at Petals with Miss Tracy and Mr. Jason as we're planning this event. So I'm gonna leave you with a little word from Jason here at Petals while I drive home, and then I think we're gonna try to harvest our potatoes because our potato plants have died back, and if you know anything about that, when they die back, they're supposed to be ready. So let's go see if this was a flop or a success.
Hey, it's Jason here at Petals from the Past. I'm standing amongst the zinnias, and I'm here to invite you to the Great Fall Garden Festival. I hope you can come. We have 38 YouTube channels that are signed up to come here for a meet and greet. We'll have food vendors in place. We've got classes that are going on. Please go to the link in this video and sign up for the Great Fall Garden Festival. There's going to be classes that are going on during the day. Please register for the event if you can come, and register for each of those classes that you might be able to participate in. We are looking forward to seeing you September the 9th between 9 and 5. We look forward to seeing you here.
Well, I made it home from Petals, and me and Farmer Rhett are going to empty these. We got 4 blue tubs that we planted potato. They're not called slips. We planted potato chunks in the dirt, and we've grown them, and they died back now. So we don't know if we've succeeded or this is a big flop, but I'm going to share it with you, and let's see how well we grew potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and pull these stalks out, and then we're going to dump it and spread it out and see what potatoes we can harvest out of this first one.
Okay. You want to come over there?
Oh, I see a few. Okay. Ready? Spread it all out. Oh no, I'm not seeing anything. Dump the next one.
That was not good at all.
No, it was not. Oh goodness. There's one. There's one more. Yeah. Here. Look. Look at that big old potato.
That's mine. I took some out of I took the corns out of that one. Oh, I already see one.
You see one?
Yeah.
That way. Ooh, be careful. There's one. Hold on, I'll give it to you. Come here.
I see another one. I found one by myself.
Okay.
Come. No one.
Hold on, Rhett.
Got it.
Rhett, stop.
Wait a minute.
Get it. Don't chop it.
Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. This container is big.
Well.
Well, you had more containers than you have potatoes.
Well, that was a flop.
Epic fail.
It's worked before.
We've grown potatoes in those containers before.
Yeah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Welcome to practice. It's my first time wearing this helmet to practice.
Run real fast! You did do good. Did you like practice with your helmet? Yeah, are you tired?
Yes.